Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog, and in this video, I will explain you how you can use our Google Trends API to scrape Google Trends data. So once you sign up, you will be redirected to your dashboard where you will find this Google Trends scraper. Let's say I want data for air purifier, and the return response should be in English language. So I have put EN as the parameter value. Once I click on write button, I am provided with this beautiful JSON response. So I got the timestamp, I got the value. So higher this value, higher the trend is. Like for example, if you move ahead, this trend is going to increase around certain point of time, and you can on based on that you can observe that the trend is going up. So if you have you want to enter some different parameters to this API, you can take advantage of this the list of this huge list of this parameters. Uh, and I have also written a guide on scraping Google Trends using Node.js. I'm going to add the link of this article in the description section below. So if you have any questions regarding this API or any other API from scrapingdog.com, you can reach out to me at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.